Eggs have been a breakfast staple for generations, especially for people over 60. They're affordable, easy to prepare, and packed with high quality protein, vitamins, and nutrients that support muscle strength, brain health, and healthy aging. But here's what many older adults don't realize: the way you prepare, store, and handle eggs can make a huge difference. Small habits that seem completely harmless may quietly increase your risk of food poisoning, heart problems, or nutrient loss. Even more surprising, most of these mistakes don't change the taste, smell, or appearance of your eggs, making them almost impossible to notice until they cause trouble. Today, we'll go through the 7 most common egg mistakes older adults make. These aren't unusual kitchen accidents. They're everyday habits many of us learned decades ago and have never questioned. Fortunately, every one of these mistakes is easy to fix once you know what to look for. By making a few simple changes, you can continue enjoying one of the healthiest foods available while protecting your heart, brain, and overall health. Number 7, throwing away the egg yolk. For years, many people were told that egg yolks were unhealthy because they contain cholesterol. As a result, countless seniors still throw away the yolk and eat only the egg white. While egg whites are an excellent source of protein, they contain only a small portion of an egg's total nutrition. Most of the vitamins and minerals your body needs are actually found in the yolk. Egg yolks are rich in choline, an important nutrient that supports memory, concentration, and healthy brain function. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect the eyes from age-related vision problems, along with vitamin D, which becomes increasingly important as the body's ability to produce it naturally declines with age. Over the past several years, researchers have found that dietary cholesterol from foods like eggs has much less impact on blood cholesterol than previously believed for most healthy people. Unless your healthcare provider has specifically advised you to limit egg yolks because of a particular medical condition, eating whole eggs is usually a much better choice than eating egg whites alone. As we grow older, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing nutrients, making every bite of nutritious food even more valuable. Keeping the yolk on your plate allows you to receive the full range of benefits eggs have to offer. Number 6, cooking eggs with too much butter, oil, or cheese. Eggs themselves are naturally nutritious and relatively low in calories, but the ingredients added during cooking can quickly change that. Many people prepare eggs with large amounts of butter, cooking oil, or cheese without realizing how much saturated fat they're adding to a single meal. Over time, regularly eating breakfast loaded with saturated fat may contribute to higher cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke, especially for older adults who already have high blood pressure, diabetes, or existing heart conditions. The problem isn't enjoying these foods occasionally, it's making them part of your everyday routine. Fortunately, healthier cooking doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. A non-stick pan with a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray is usually all that's needed. If you enjoy cheese, using a smaller amount of a stronger flavored variety provides plenty of taste without excessive saturated fat. Adding vegetables such as spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, or peppers also makes your breakfast more filling while providing fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that support heart health. These simple adjustments allow eggs to remain one of the healthiest meals you can eat, without placing unnecessary strain on your cardiovascular system. Number 5, leaving cooked eggs at room temperature too long. One of the easiest food safety mistakes happens after the cooking is finished. Egg dishes often sit on the table during family breakfasts, holiday gatherings, or brunches while everyone enjoys conversation. Unfortunately, once cooked eggs remain at room temperature for too long, bacteria can begin multiplying rapidly. Whether it's scrambled eggs, quiche, egg salad, deviled eggs, or a breakfast casserole, cooked egg dishes should generally not be left out for more than 2 hours. If the weather is particularly warm, that safe window becomes even shorter. This becomes especially important after age 60 because the body's natural defenses against foodborne illness gradually weaken. Many older adults also produce less stomach acid or take medications that reduce stomach acid, making it easier for harmful bacteria to survive and cause infection. What might cause only mild stomach discomfort in a younger person can lead to severe dehydration, hospitalization, or other serious complications in an older adult. If you're serving eggs during a gathering, keep hot foods hot and cold foods cold whenever possible. Refrigerate leftovers promptly in shallow containers and enjoy them within the next few days. When you're unsure how long an egg dish has been sitting out, it's always safer to discard it than risk food poisoning. A simple habit like putting leftovers away promptly can prevent a medical emergency and help ensure that family celebrations remain happy memories rather than unexpected trips to the emergency room. Number 4. Cross-contamination in the kitchen. Many food safety problems don't come from the eggs themselves, but from the way they're handled. It's surprisingly easy to spread bacteria without realizing it. You crack a few eggs into a bowl, wipe your hands on a kitchen towel, then immediately grab a piece of bread, your coffee mug, or your morning medications. In those few seconds, bacteria from the eggshell may have been transferred to other surfaces or foods. Eggshells can carry harmful bacteria even when they look perfectly clean. That's why simply rinsing your hands with water isn't enough. After handling raw eggs, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water before touching anything else. The same applies to bowls, utensils, cutting boards, and countertops that come into contact with raw eggs. Many people also use the same cutting board for preparing eggs and then immediately slice fruit or bread on it without washing it first. This habit may seem harmless because everything looks clean, but bacteria are invisible and can survive on kitchen surfaces if they aren't properly cleaned. Taking a few extra moments to wash your hands and kitchen equipment helps protect not only your own health, but also the health of everyone who shares your meals. These simple habits greatly reduce the risk of foodborne illness and make your kitchen a much safer place. Number 3, ignoring the expiration date. Many people admit they've eaten eggs past the expiration date without any problems, and often that's true. However, aging changes the way the body responds to foodborne bacteria. As we grow older, our immune systems become less efficient, meaning an infection that causes only mild discomfort in a younger person can become much more serious for an older adult. The date printed on the carton isn't just a suggestion. As eggs age, their natural protective barriers weaken, making it easier for bacteria to multiply even if the eggs still look and smell normal. That's why relying only on appearance can be misleading. If you're unsure whether an egg is still fresh, try the simple float test. Fill a bowl with water and gently place the egg inside. Fresh eggs sink and lie flat on the bottom. Older eggs tend to stand upright, while eggs that float should be discarded because the large air pocket inside indicates they've become too old. Another easy habit is to rotate your eggs properly. Whenever you buy a new carton, place it behind the older one in the refrigerator so the oldest eggs get used first. This simple routine helps prevent waste while ensuring you're always using the freshest eggs available. Number 2, eating undercooked eggs. Runny yolks have become increasingly popular, and many people enjoy soft-boiled or over-easy eggs. While these styles may taste delicious, they also carry a greater risk because harmful bacteria may survive if the egg isn't cooked thoroughly. For older adults, food poisoning caused by bacteria such as salmonella can be much more severe than it is for younger people. It can lead to dehydration, hospitalization, and serious complications, especially for those living with diabetes, heart disease, or weakened immune systems. Many of us grew up eating runny eggs without giving it much thought, but food safety recommendations have changed as scientists have learned more about bacterial contamination. What seemed perfectly safe decades ago may no longer be the safest option after age 60. The safest approach is to cook eggs until both the white and the yolk are fully set. This ensures the egg has reached a temperature that significantly reduces the risk of harmful bacteria surviving. If you're preparing eggs frequently, using a food thermometer can remove the guesswork entirely. This doesn't mean you have to stop enjoying eggs. It simply means adjusting the way you prepare them to match the needs of your body today. A fully cooked egg still provides the same valuable protein and nutrients while greatly reducing the risk of foodborne illness. Number 1, using raw eggs in homemade recipes. The most serious egg mistake isn't usually something people eat for breakfast. Instead, it's found in homemade recipes that have been passed down through generations. Foods like homemade eggnog, Caesar dressing, chocolate mousse, mayonnaise, cookie dough, cake batter, hollandaise sauce, and certain desserts often use raw or only lightly cooked eggs. While these recipes may taste wonderful and hold special family memories, they can also carry a hidden risk. Many people assume that if an egg looks clean and has been refrigerated, it's completely safe to eat raw. Unfortunately, that's not always true. Harmful bacteria such as salmonella can sometimes be present inside the egg, not just on the shell. Since these bacteria can't be seen, smelled, or tasted, there's no way to know whether a raw egg is contaminated. For younger adults with healthy immune systems, food poisoning may only cause a few days of stomach discomfort, but after age 60, the situation can become much more serious. Older adults are more likely to experience severe dehydration, prolonged illness, hospitalization, and in some cases, life-threatening complications. The risk becomes even greater for those living with diabetes, kidney disease, heart disease, or anyone taking medications that weaken the immune system. The good news is that you don't have to give up your favorite family recipes. A simple solution is to use pasteurized eggs. These eggs are gently heated during processing to destroy harmful bacteria while still working exactly like regular raw eggs in recipes. They whip, mix, and bake the same way, making them an excellent choice whenever a recipe calls for raw or lightly cooked eggs. Today, pasteurized whole eggs and liquid egg products are available in many grocery stores and provide a much safer alternative for older adults. Simple tips to make eggs. Safer. Besides avoiding these common mistakes, a few small habits can make preparing eggs easier and safer every day. Before boiling eggs, allow them to sit at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. This reduces the sudden temperature change that often causes shells to crack during cooking and helps the eggs cook more evenly. If you're boiling eggs, adding a small amount of white vinegar to the water can also help. If an egg develops a small crack while cooking, the vinegar helps the egg white solidify more quickly, reducing leakage. Many people also find that eggs cooked this way peel more easily once they've cooled. If you regularly prepare recipes that call for raw eggs, keeping a carton of pasteurized eggs in your refrigerator is a smart habit. That way, you can continue enjoying homemade dishes while greatly reducing the risk of foodborne illness. Conclusion: eggs remain one of the most nutritious foods you can eat after the age of 60. They're an excellent source of high-quality protein that helps preserve muscle strength, along with vitamins and nutrients that support brain function, healthy vision, and overall well-being. The goal isn't to avoid eggs, it's to prepare and handle them safely. Most of the mistakes we've discussed today are incredibly common because they've been passed down through years of habit. Fortunately, they're also some of the easiest habits to change. Cooking eggs thoroughly, storing them properly, avoiding cross-contamination, checking freshness, limiting excess butter and cheese, eating the whole egg when appropriate, and choosing pasteurized eggs for raw recipes can all make a meaningful difference. Healthy aging isn't usually about making one dramatic lifestyle change. It's about making small, consistent decisions every day that protect your body over the long term. Something as simple as the way you prepare your breakfast can help reduce unnecessary health risks while allowing you to continue enjoying one of nature's most nutritious foods. By making these simple adjustments, you can continue eating eggs with confidence, knowing you're giving your body the nutrition it needs while protecting yourself from avoidable risks. Small changes in the kitchen today can help support better health, greater independence, and a higher quality of life for years to come.